How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy A7's channel, we are doing a Boxycharm. That's right, I got my daughter's Boxycharm today and I figured, why not unbox it? No. Boxycharm, for those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month, I think. I'll open her stat thing. So let's see what's inside. So there's the box, and then you lift it up like this, and then that is what you see. So it is cute. I know they're going to Coachella this month, and I think that's what this is gonna have in here. I don't know. It says peace, love, and a boxy. There is a card there. And then on the back, of course, it tells you everything that's included in this box. So let's see what everything is worth this time. So I open it up, and those are the items in there. So let's see here. We have some Luxie brushes. You can never have too many Luxie brushes. This is the Summer Days brush set. You have a 209 large shader brush, a 245 small shader brush, and then a 512 small contouring. So that is a packaging there. It does have the little Ferris wheel on there. And let's take a peek. So what are these worth? These are worth $28. Let's see if I could get these open. Oh, of course I can. Let's see. So I love Luxie brushes. Oh, these are cute. They have like an ombre effect. They're nice. They're soft, like always. This one has like, ooh, look like food. Anyway, those are the brushes there. And there. So they have like that ombre effect on the handles. They are nice brushes. We get these like every month, I believe, right? Or every other month we'll get like one brush. This time there's a set of 3, which I am so happy for. The next thing I am pulling out of here, it is the Starlux Cosmic Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. It's just an eyeliner. Nothing. To me, it's like no big deal. Let me see. There you go. There it is there. And I just bought a few eyeliners. I don't think I want to open that one. That one is Starlux Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. And that one goes for $19. And it's a retractable pen. Doesn't say anything else about that. The Luxie brushes, you know, those are just what it is. It does say that it's perfect to pat on base, shadow, and glitter, the 245. Cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out of here is the Power Up Mascara, and that's by Butter London. And this is $20 a month. I mean, $20 a month. It's $20 for the mascara. I got subscription plans on my mind, so that's in there, and it is black, right? Yep, Power Black. So mascara is mascara. The next thing I am pulling out of there, and did I tell you how much that was worth? Yeah, I did, right? $20. And this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this is the loose powder highlighter. So there's the box. Let's open it up and see what this is about. You know, every time I ever have something available to like pop this open, I always gotta rip the box. Ooh, wow, okay, not mad at you. This is called Summer Haze. I guess that's the festival season is upon us, so everything is gonna be geared towards that. So that's called Summer Haze. This is a 4.5 grams. Oh, it's closed. Oh, but it's kind of neat because it has this I like what they did here. I want to open it, but I can't. So it has that see how you can turn that little plastic? So when you open it up, you can then turn it, and then the highlight won't go anywhere. But how do I open it? You know, in my next video when I open the other box, I can't seem to take it out. Nope. I can't. Nope, I can't take it off, but I will figure it out later. But that's the color there. It's a loose highlighter, and I'm really not too fond of loose highlighters because they do get everywhere. But if I could figure out how to open this in the next video when I open the other Boxycharm box, if it's in there, even if it's not in there, I'll open it up. And like I said, what was this worth? This is the, where are you? Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It's vegan and cruelty free, loose powder highlight, and it, of course, it can be used everywhere, which I pretty much do. Especially when I forget my eyeshadow, I'll throw on some like highlighter or blush on my eyes. And this is worth $27. And the next and final item, yep, is a palette. Yeah! Okay, so we got the Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Get a grip packet. Let's see. And this is worth $36. So it does say from boho inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. Are they all cruelty-free? No. It doesn't say anything about the mascara. Nope. So this is $36. So let's add this all up. So 19 and 20 is 39. I'd say 40 plus 30, 70. Plus 30, 100, 136 minus 5, 6, $130 value in this box, and it only cost me $20. So let's open it here. And let's see, this is actually really nice. I love when I get palettes in my boxes, because you can't have too many palettes, just like shoes, right? Can't have too many shoes, can't have too many palettes. Let's open this up. Okay, so of course all these palettes come like the same. They come with that standard boxy. So that's the outside, just like the box. Oh, there's sunglasses on there, girl. And then it comes with a mirror, as you can see. But I don't want to blind you. It says treat every day like a festival. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it comes with eyeshadow primer. You see that? It says Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. What is this for? Does it say? Lock your pigment in place by coating the lid with Get a Grip Eyeshadow Primer using a brush, not included. Pack the pigment onto the skin, build and blend until you achieve a desired look. And these are the colors. Let me cover this up. And those are the colors. They're actually really nice. But it reminds me of, what does this remind me of? Something. Ooh. Smells weird. But those are the colors there. Aren't those nice? Those are really nice. At least I think so. I like this Wild Child, which is this pink one. And I like the purple one, the Gypsy. So we're going to, and then it has these two glitters here, 24 Magic and Fireworks. But we're gonna go ahead and swatch some of these only because why not? So of course I'm gonna do this purple shade. I'm gonna do this pink shade. Ooh, powdery, powdery, very powdery. This one here, the Sunset one, which is a metallic shimmer, I don't know, and Good Vibes. This pink one, oh, it got all over my pants. The pink one there, it's really let me move a little closer. It's all over my pants. It's just a big old chunk fell on my pants. So this is that purple shade. It is they are powdery, but I guess that's why they say to use that that primer. Ugh. See, before I swatch it some more, do you see that powdery shade on that pink? A big old chunk just fell on my pants, and I don't want to move, so I can avoid making a bigger mess. I mean, they go on nice, other than the fact that, you know, they kicked up. But then again, I'm using my fingers, so maybe with a brush it'll look different. But those are the 4 colors there. I mean, that looks nice, right? I think it does. But I still have them on my fingers. They didn't come off. I want to try this glitter one. I want to try swatch these 2 glitters here. So we'll do 24 Magic. 24 Magic. I won't sing the rest of the song. This reminds me of that palette that I bought the other day. What was it called? What's it called? I still have it here. That Garden, Secret Garden. Ooh, see, I like these. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? So I'll just swatch them here. Ooh, I like this. I mean, oh, yep. It was like that Secret Garden one that I had the other day from Riley. But this one has like, it's pink with little gold shimmers, and then the other one is just gold. This is actually so pretty. I like it, and it comes right off my other finger. Bam. Oh, if I only had tape, then I don't have tape. I should keep tape around here somewhere. But anyways, this is the palette. So I like it. I think it's really nice. Let me know in the comment section down below, what did you think of this box? Like I said, when my box comes next week, I will show you that box, and then we can compare. I'll have this box out just in case. But this is, it's $100 value, this box, and it did cost only $20. I enjoyed it, so let's see. So you get the palette, and the palette comes with the primer, this little primer, this foil one-time use. You get the brushes, you get an eyeliner, a mascara, and you get this the loose highlighter. So you get all these items, and it was only $20. I like this box a lot. I mean, I know there are some that are having really bad issues with Boxycharms, but Boxycharm is, you know, it hasn't done me wrong, I guess. So until they do me wrong, I will continue to buy Boxycharm. I think it's great. So I hope you enjoyed this little Boxycharm unboxing, and let me know down in the comment section, what did you think of this palette? Did you like it? Do you have it? Have you bought it from a different resource? Yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. And then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check the subscribe button, because a lot of times that YouTube likes to take your subscribers away, likes to take the people you subscribe away. And so go ahead and check it and ring that bell so that you're notified of all my new releases and all my channel, all my videos that are coming up. I'll be doing a lot more stuff in the summertime, and that's it. So have a great day. Till next time, I love you guys, appreciate you, and have a great day. Hasta Laterz.